Hello and long time no talk. This is a unboxing of the Sparkle & Co. June I Want It All bag. Its theme is mermaids, which is super exciting. I've been waiting for this bag ever since they announced the theme. And yeah, I'm super excited and I hope you guys are too. So let's check this out. I'm literally obsessed with this sticker. It is so cute. I'm not sure which one to open. Let's go with the dip first. Yeah, let's start here. One of the glitters got loose in here, so I'm trying to brush everything off. Let's see, part of your world. That's cute. Man, I'm so excited. So far, these are all looking really pretty. There's no gold or pink, which is kind of my personal, like, I don't love it so much. So far, it's purples and blues, some really pretty glitters. Oh man, look at the shift. Oh man, I love this so much. Just look at that. Oh man. Okay, there's a little gold in there. But look, oh my gosh. It's so pretty. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let's see, let's tap some out. Check it out. Oh, it's so pretty. Purple, love it. Okay. Yep, nice cream, no shimmer that I can see. All right, let's zoom in here a little bit. I'm gonna go through all of the colors and the swatches and let's take a peek. The formula on this one is a cream with a purple fuchsia foil. So you will want to avoid melting the foil by capping it with a clear dip before activating. This is She Dreams of the Ocean. It's a mix of fine glitters. Looks to be a couple of different shades of purple, maybe teal, and maybe a little black or navy. This hard to capture color is splashy and sassy. I'm going to try to zoom in here a little bit and see if I can get you a good look. It is these mix of glitters. Very hard to capture, very pretty. Yeah, I love it. Here you go. Let's see. It's kind of an Eastery, iridescent, flat. I don't know. You have to see it in person. It's very beautiful. Under the Sea is this really gorgeous fine glitter, teal green, blue. It's just really gorgeous, really good for like a tip ombre or something probably. Looking forward to working with this. I could also see doing oh, you guys haven't seen that yet. Spoilers! There's nail foils in this bag with a foil glue, and you could easily do an ombre at the tip and do the mermaid foil over it and have it kind of come out of that. It would be very lovely. Look like fish scales or mermaid scales. So yeah, keep watching. The second cream in the bag is this pale bubbly mint kind of color almost, but not quite a seafoam. This is a glitter that can almost be burnished into a top coat or a gel or tapped onto any of your manicures. At first I thought it was a dip, but there is no acrylic powder that I could see. Ooh, and here we are with another bag of goodies. These are the Mermaid nail foils. For those of you who are purely dip, you may not be used to seeing these. They are a transfer foil, and you use something called foil transfer gel or foil glue to actually transfer that image onto your nail. I'm going to hopefully get a few videos up the next week or so doing it, but there are many videos up on YouTube. Melissa Talboy does some. I'm sure others have as well. It's really fun. It's a great way to add some things to your manicures, and it can work well with dip as well. I was having a lot of trouble with my camera focusing on these gel polishes. I'm really sorry. But hopefully you were able to get at least a little bit of an idea of what they look like and how pretty they are. So with the foil transfer gel, you'll want to cure it between 15 and 30 seconds usually before applying the foil. Just a quick tip. All right, so that's the June I Want It All bag. What do you guys think? Let's lay it all out, see everything in its glory. Leave your comments down below. Do you think this month's bag was worth the price tag, which I think is like $64.99? But you also get like a 20% off monthly code that you can use to buy products. You can buy your liquids. You can also buy more of these powders for a set amount of time. There's a secret menu that you have access to. What do you think? Is it worth the value? Comments down below. What's your favorite colors? What is your favorite product that was in this bag? I'm really liking the dips. I'm very excited about using the Mermaid foils and the chrome. I think there's a lot that can be done here. There's some color blocking. I want to do some like color blocking with the foils and maybe some gradients. I mean, there's so much here that I'm like literally like brain like Manny block. I'm almost just like too many options. So yeah, I want to hear your guys' ideas. So talk to me down below in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you want to comment, like, subscribe, follow, all of the things, love you forever.